In this video, we are going to be using one of the best strategies there are for Pocket Option Auto Trader. We are going to use Alpha One Safe. And I will take a couple of trades so you can see how good this binary option robot is. If you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find a link about the video at X. It's both for desktop and for cell phone. And you find the same links below the video at YouTube. So now we are choosing 15-second close. We will use Alpha One Safe. We are going to take $3,000 trades. We are going to use Martingale with 2.2, opposite direction, and I've set a target of 5,000. That means we get 2 trades. So now it's just to start up the bot and let's see how we do. So now we start the bot. What is happening right now? Now he's collecting all the information he needs from the chart that you see here, and also he's collecting all the information that he needs from the indicators that are used inside Alpha One Safe. Then after he will start to look for some trades. Also, if you have some questions, just leave them below the video and I reply for everything. This is at X and on YouTube. I reply to every single question you have. So you can see the first trade here now. Go deep, deep, deep in the profit. Amazing trade. So you can see now already we have $2,760. Amazing. Now he'll take one more trade. Hopefully that will be a winner also, and we get a 100% win rate in this video. And I will not be surprised if you get that, because this strategy is good. By the way, today is a Wednesday morning for the ones that are keeping track of the time I am trading. I have figured out I trade mostly in the morning for the ones that have that question. Doesn't matter that much. I have traded in the middle of the day, I've traded in night, I have the same results. It's just to see if you see the market is going very crazy. Just choose opposite direction, and then if you lose, he will take opposite trade, so you're pretty much safer. But also always test on demo account first, because there are times the market can be crazy. And if you see it's crazy, just stop, take a break, start in a couple of hours, or just drop this day and take a next day. Or even better, just change the pair, change the strategy. Some strategies work better on some type of markets. And of course, you should not trade under news. I have made a few videos, by the way, where I'm trading under news, and it's pretty crazy. But I still turn in the money. So you need some money manager also. You need to think, how much money do I have? And if the martingale go against me, how many steps can I take? And then you can put your limits here and everything. So then it's okay if you have a losing day. But it's about how much is the losing day. So test this on demo account. Put some limits there. Play a little around it and see, can you constantly make profit with it? Then you have a setup. Everyone need to figure out their own settings based on their how much money they have available. That's it. From where is your start bid? All this matters. So figure this out first, test on demo, and there you have it. Then you start. This is how you do. I started trading like 20 years ago. And do you know what? The first years I was trading, I lost money. I could not figure it out. I thought, this is a scam, don't work. But the thing is, you are learning. It's like when you go to school, you are investing your time, and sadly, you're investing your money into a way of learning a profession. And when you have learned it, even for a bot, the thing is, it's not always just to turn on the bot. You need to choose the correct strategy, you need to choose the correct timeline, you need to choose the correct pair, you need to choose the correct settings. It's more into it. Yes, it's convenient that you have bot trading for you, but you also need to invest some time or figure out how to use it with your balance. This is what I want to get out of this video, is that you understand that it's not always just to start the bot and just go away and think for the best, you need to choose the correct bid, the correct target, the correct everything, and first then you will start to make money with it. Of course you can get lucky, but you need to invest some time, use it on demo account, test out all this, and you will figure it out. I'm sure of it. Now it's take a little time because he need a perfect setup, but it's okay. We are going to take our time. If you don't take a trade in a couple of minutes, I will just, for the fun of it, take another strategy. But here, now he take a trade, so we didn't need to do that. And it's quite deep, and I like the entry. We are deep in the money again. See? Amazing trade again. How good is Alpha One Safe? So $5,520, 100% win rate, 2 wins, 0 losses. Want this binary option robot for yourself? Link about the video at X, a link below the video at YouTube. Works at desktop and on cell phones. You have 2 different links for this, because the cell phone version you get at Google Play Store. So with that, have an amazing day, and I see you on the next.